Welcome to the first annual 2009 Stuffed Animal Wrestling Championships. If you hate repkins or all sorts of stuffed animals, then this is the video for you. Please spread out the animals at this time. Thank you very much.
No
that's good.
Okay.
There we go. And now, we are going to introduce our contestants! Our first contestant has never won a championship because this is the first one. Brittany Ball! Our second contestant can be stupid at times, and he's also never won a championship, and his name is Garrick.
Face down in the gutter, won't admit defeat, though his clothes are soiled and black. He's a big, strong man with a child's mind. Don't you take his booze away. Hey!
Are the contestants ready? Let's get this show on the road. 1, 2, 3, go! And it looks like Brittany has just won round 1. Nope, Garrett, calm down. It's okay. Garrett! Please start spreading out the stuffed animals again at this time. Are the contestants ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Foul! You are not allowed to hold more than 4 stuffed animals. Please spread the animals out at this time. We will be redoing the round. 1, 2, 3, go!
So get
Derek just won round 2! Sorry to interrupt, but we need to start spreading out the stuffed animals again so we can get on with round 3. Okay? So, yeah, thanks you guys. Okay, is everybody ready? Let's go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go! And Brittany just won the first championship of the stuffed animal dodgeball. Looks to me that Garrick is not taking this well. What's this? Oh, dude, no, set to that, yeah. Well, that was a pretty tough fight, and it was pretty action-packed. But tune in next time, whenever that'll be. It'll be next year. This was too fun. For the next Stuffed Animal Dodgeball 2009 Championship.
From the game, she was sitting in my ear. You would think that she knew me.